Hello, today I'm in Kia Stinger. In this video I'll show you how to enable seat ventilation. In the beginning, let's take a look in the center of the car. Right here in the center console, we've got this panel. To enable seat ventilation, you have to push this button downwards. Why downwards? Because if you push it upwards, you will use seat heating. If you push it downwards again, you will change the intensity of seat ventilation. So basically, if the LED lights are lighting blue, it means that seat ventilation is enabled. You can do the same thing with the passenger seat. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.